If your price is even a little off, buyers will tell you right away, and most of the time won't say a word. They'll just skip your home and move on to the next one. The right price gets people through the door, and in that first week creates real interest and puts you in a stronger spot when it's time to negotiate. But the wrong price usually leads to fewer showings, price cuts, and buyers trying to squeeze you later on. I worked with a homeowner who wanted to list higher because their neighbor sold for a big number the year before. I understood why they felt that way. The homes were similar, they had made some updates, and they didn't want to leave money on the table. When we looked closer though, the market had changed since the neighbor's sale. There were more homes for sale, buyers weren't rushing as much, and that older sale didn't reflect what people were paying right now. So we took a step back and priced it based on what buyers were actually doing in the current market. We looked at the most recent homes that sold, we checked homes that were already under contract, and we compared their home to the ones buyers could tour that weekend. Once we set the price to match today's reality, showings picked up quickly, the feedback was strong, and we didn't end up chasing the market with a series of price drops. The best starting point is looking at homes like yours that have recently sold, plus homes that are already under contract, and homes that are active right now. Sold homes show what buyers have actually paid, under contract homes show what buyers are agreeing to today, and active listings show what your home is competing with. When you use all three, you're not guessing. You're using the same kind of info professionals use to set a price that makes sense. Buyers don't look at your home and ask, what does the seller want? They ask, what else can I get for this price? If your home is priced like a fully updated home, but buyers can tour the nicer one down the street for the same money, you're going to lose them. The goal is to make your home look like the best deal in its price range so buyers feel like they should come see it before it's gone. Two homes can have the same size and still be worth different amounts because buyers care about what the home feels like and what they'll need to fix. A clean, well-kept home usually shows better than a home that needs repairs, even if they look similar online. Upgrades matter too, but only if they're the kind buyers care about, like major systems, kitchens, bathrooms, or anything that saves them time and work after they move in. Sometimes a home sold for more, but the seller also gave the buyer money back for closing costs, repairs, or interest rate help. That changes what the seller really walked away with. When we compare your home to past sales, we have to account for those credits, or you end up pricing off a number that looks good on paper but doesn't match what buyers will pay for your home today. The first couple of weeks are when your home gets the most attention online and the most serious buyers are watching. If you start too high and it sits, buyers start thinking something is wrong, even when nothing is. Then you get lower offers and tougher negotiations because buyers feel like you're the one who has to budge. Starting with a strong, realistic price keeps you in control of the deal instead of trying to fix it later on. The right listing price comes from data and comparisons. When we look at what has sold recently, what's under contract now, and what you're competing with today, then factor in the condition and deal credits, we can set a price that brings buyers in fast and protects your leverage. This is Paul Lott, and if you're planning to sell, reach out before you set the price. I'll show you the comps that matter, explain what buyers are comparing in your price range, and help you choose a price that fits the market and your goals. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.